This is WJCA News. From home.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, and I'm your anchor, Morgan Furmaniak. In today's broadcast, the Budz family decides to have a bake-off to see which family member can make the best desserts out of items in their house. Let's see how they do.
Welcome to the Budz Family Bake-Off. I'm your host / contestant, Jake Budz, and today we're going to see who is the best baker in the Budz family household. Now let's get right into it and let's meet our judges.
Our first judge of the evening is known as the Computer Help Desk Specialist at JCA, my older brother, Mr. Budz.
Hi, I'm Mr. Budz. I'm just here for the food.
Our next judge for the evening is a preschool teacher at Bonnie Macbeth Learning Center. She has a knack for creativity, Carla Budz.
Hi, I'm Carla Budz, and my experience of cooking is I love to read cookbooks, and I've read all of these, so I am ready for tonight's competition.
Our next and final judge of the evening is the principal and president of Joliet Catholic Academy, Dr. Budz.
Hey, it's Dr. Budz, and I am totally pumped up for this cooking contest. I have 48 years of experience eating food. I think I'll do a good job. Good luck to our cooklers tonight.
Now on to our contestants. Our first contestant of the evening is my older sister, Carlin Budz.
Hi, I'm Carlin Budz, and in the spirit of Easter, I am making cupcakes with little carrots on top. So I will be using strawberries, cake mix, Oreos, some almond bark, and some frosting. And we've been doing these bake-offs for a while now, and I've won all of them. So I have this in the bag.
Our next contestant for the evening is my younger brother. He's a sophomore at JCA, Justin Budz.
Cool kittens, it's Justin Budz from the Budz household. Today I'll be baking a big pumpkin loaf. And then what I have today is cream cheese, an egg, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla, light brown sugar, sour cream, pumpkin, 2 seasonings, and coconut oil.
Our third contestant for the evening is also my younger brother. He is a freshman at JCA, Johnny Budz.
Hi, I'm Johnny Budz. I'm not sure what I'm making yet, but I know I'll win. We've done a lot of these, and I've won 1 to 5. Know that. Okay, so I got brown sugar, a lot of chocolate, cookie dough, bananas, vanilla wafers, and popsicle sticks.
The final contestant of the evening is yours truly, Jake Budz.
Hello everyone, I am Jake Budz. I am 18 years old and I'm a senior at JCA. Currently run online schooling, but you know what I'm going to be schooling? The other contestants. Now, some ingredients I have. I found a recipe on the side of the box that just sounds really good, so that's what I'm trying to do here. I have some semi-sweet chocolate and then Hershey's cocoa powder.
Bakers ready?
Yeah.
Let the
Now with
competition
everyone introduced,
begin.
let's get baking.
So, Carlin, how are things going here? What are we doing here?
Great. Well, I just started. So right now I have to coat my strawberries in chocolate. So I'm putting the almond bark in the thing, and then I'm gonna heat it up, and then add some orange so it looks like a carrot.
And that's it. Are you nervous about your competition at all?
No, not at all. I'm a old timer in these bake-offs. We've been doing them for a while now. Justin is kind of a competition. Johnny and Jake, not at all. So, I think I got this in the bag.
Oh hey, little thing about me in the kitchen. Safety is #1 priority. Now let's get to cooking. I got a banana here. Maybe we'll cut it. Isn't that nice? Wait, it's too small.
So what are you making with the bananas?
Not exactly sure yet, but I know I'll come.
Hey, Justin, how are things going here?
I'm going pretty good. Putting all my ingredients, well, I'm putting all my wet ingredients into a mixer right now to whisk them together, and I'll have my fold in my dry ingredients later. So.
I heard in this competition that you're the one to beat.
Yeah, if you could say so. I mean, I think my biggest competition is myself, honestly, because I'm a real head case and get my head. But everyone else is just jabronis at this point.
So, Jacob, how are things going with you here?
Fairly good. Just mixing my ingredients together, making sure I made the recipe right, because I don't think I did, but we're gonna try it anyway.
Now, the competition, I won't mention any names, said you weren't really one to beat. How do you feel about that?
I mean, in the past, I was the dark horse of the competition, so I'm not really worried about the other competitors. All I know is that I will most likely win, even though they'll say they'll win, but one of my opponents doesn't even know what he's doing yet, so I really have a good chance.
Now it is time for the contestants to serve their dishes to the judges.
Alright. So here is a hot summer day. So this is the sun, and then you have a banana covered with chocolate for a popsicle you have on a summer day. Enjoy.
So,
Thank you, judges.
what type of cookies are these?
They are peanut butter cookies with a vanilla wafer in the middle.
Okay.
Yes. As you know, I've won at least 1 to 2 battles, so this should be good. Glad you guys enjoyed it so much that you're laughing. It's a good thing that you guys enjoy it.
I liked your plating, John. I thought it was very creative. The cookies were a little hard. but they were better than the banana ones. So.
Love the title of it. Thought it was very ingenious. Love the sun and stuff like that. Bananas were a little mushy. You bit into it, it wasn't that great. Thought the cookies were okay. You just need to dunk them in milk.
Yeah, it was interesting. The setup was nice and everything, but the banana on the stick with the chocolate didn't really go over very well. So we'll. But nice attempt, though. Nice try.
Kind words, judges.
Okay, judges, I have a cupcake here, and the strawberry is supposed to represent a carrot, because I said my theme was Easter, so it's like pulling the carrot out of the ground. There you go.
So this is dirt?
Yeah, but it's like Oreo. Well, it's not actually dirt.
Well, I'll leave my comments for the end. Chocolate with strawberry, great job incorporating fruit into your thing. I'm glad one Budz can actually incorporate fruit into his dish and have it correctly. I didn't like that it was wrapped twice. I thought maybe with your plating you would have taken it off for us so we didn't have to fight to get it. My hands are now very sticky because I had to get it was just a mess, honestly. So, yeah, that's my comments. Nice job, though.
Love the strawberry on it. Very tasty. Cupcake was a little dry, but overall
Very dry.
presentation
Very dry.
was cute.
I ate the whole thing.
It was good. Chocolate covered strawberry was very good. The cake was kind of mushy and very chocolatey. And I like chocolate, so. But good try, good attempt.
All right, so judges, for you, I have here my mix on chocolate chip pancakes. I did a chocolate chip pancake with a maple syrup cream cheese frosting, and then I had chocolate sauce on top of it with some whipped cream on the side. So enjoy.
So what is in the topping here? Did you say?
In the topping, it's a cream cheese frosting, so it's 4 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and then I was supposed to do vanilla extract, but vanilla extract we were out of, so I replaced the vanilla extract with maple syrup because it said that was a substitute online. We'll see how it is.
I thought it was pretty good. Very, very chocolatey. As some people in this room know, I'm both a master of cream cheese and pancakes. So I thought it was all right. Nice job.
Great twist with the pancake and the cream cheese frosting. Really enjoyed the cream cheese. The pancake was a little chocolatey, but overall, great attempt.
Very, very sweet. Good presentation. I'm a chocolate lover, and it was like a chocolate times 1,000. Very, very chocolatey. Nice try.
Good evening, judges. This is pumpkin pie loaf with cream cheese swirl center. Dig in. I just love here. It's not bad. It's not bad.
I think you did a great job of incorporating the theme of Halloween into your dish. Other than that, it leaves a lot to be desired.
Hey, think about it though. The cupcakes are.
The presentation of the bread looks amazing on this plate, but the taste, there's something in there that wasn't right.
Yeah, the presentation was very good, but the taste was awful. And I'm sure he used some kind of different ingredient that wasn't supposed to be in there.
So there was 3 spices that I incorporated into this loaf. It was cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, and dark pepperoni. It was half a teaspoon and like 2 teaspoons. And so I asked him to put 2 tablespoons of every spice in it. I also mixed up ground cinnamon and cumin powder. So I put 2 tablespoons of cumin powder in this. Gave it a little extra kick and all that. So ground cumin was on the menu tonight. The same. So.
Okay, we're here now doing, all 3 judges are here, and we are going to be judging each plate on creativity, presentation, and taste.
All right, the judges' final results are in. A quick word from each judge.
Overall, I want to say great job to at least 2 competitors. I really liked 2 of the dishes there tonight, and I think you guys bright future in baking. I encourage the other ones to either learn how to read or quit baking altogether.
Overall, they were good. I've seen better. I've been a judge for many of these competitions in this household, and I've seen a lot better choices.
They all did a nice job. They really tried hard. They gave some effort. I think they all missed the mark this time, but it's okay. We do have a winner. So here are your results of tonight's bake-off with the Budz children. First, I'll just give the points. I have total 45 points. The winner had total
of 34. The second winner, second place had 31. Third place had 26. And fourth place had 17 out of 45. So, in fourth place, and he gave a really hilltopper try, Justin.
Yeah!
In third place, with 26 points, with the Banana Sunrise Surprise, Johnny Budz with 26.
Top 3!
Your winner tonight, who did a really nice job with presentation. I didn't think that great with taste, but your winner with 34 points is the Hilltopper Jake Budz with 34. Carlin close with 31, second place.
I was these points.
Thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.
Thank you.
Bye.
Wow, those were some interesting desserts. I'm glad I didn't have to judge. Well, thanks for sharing, Jake, and that's all we have for you today. Have a great day, and make sure to tune in again tomorrow. I'm Morgan Furmaniak, and go Hill.